How to make your Pinterest account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Pinterest account private. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And after that, on the new page, you can see the option labeled as profile visibility. So simply tap on that. And here, under the profile visibility, you can see the option labeled as private profile. So simply toggle on that option. And once you have done that, you have successfully make your Pinterest account private. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.